something to say about the power of love. When two souls come together and are meant to be together, the feeling is indescribable.
Oh, I'm going on a date tonight. I met this girl on Match. And she says, I'm driving to St. Pete. So she drove to St. Pete to try her luck. And the next thing I know, the only thing I see online is hashtag the girl this, hashtag the girl that.
But what Liz and I were too young to realize at the time is that sometimes we mistake deep and abiding friendship for romantic love. And of course, we can't really count out the fact that I like boys and she likes girls. So, it's kind of a big deal.
When I'm with you, up in the air, up in the air, up in the air. You make me feel like I never, ever, ever come down. Up, 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 up. And if the sun goes down, 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 I know you got my back, 'cause you know what time it is.
Elizabeth, love of my life, my person. As I look back and reflect on how we got here, I am so grateful to the universe for holding our path steady.
Me, who had never wanted to marry, never wanted to wear a wedding dress, or any dress. Finally found myself wanting to be in front of all of these people, explaining and professing my love, and that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with not just anyone, but you.
Be someone you will be proud of, to be your person. To grow old with you, although always younger than you.
And I promise never, ever to say again, of course it's safe, it's just a kayak.
I don't wanna grow old without you. I don't know how I could be whole without you. In your arms I belong. I never
Brenda, Liz, love knows no barriers. It hurdles fences, leaps buildings, and penetrates walls to arrive at its destination full of hope. May the love that you share for each other always be full of hope. To Brenda and Liz.
one more day without you. Memories won't compare to what we had while we are here. I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna come home, I don't wanna grow old without you. So let's grow